Hello, and welcome to another update video about silver. Silver is still grinding higher, still following the overall forecast for a bullish trend continuation to the upside. It is a challenging structure to track on the micro level. We are still dealing here with, from this August low, we have a 1-2 setup. We talked about that. And then this is now where it's getting a bit messy. There are multiple interpretations which could apply here. But the idea that I shared with you in the last video is still sort of valid, that we are tracking higher here against the previous swing lows. And I'm still very much cautious though, because this structure is extremely choppy. So it's important to know about the key levels and when things start to break. Let's talk about two scenarios I'm tracking here. I mean, one is here this 1-2 setup, and we are pretty much in the third wave that belongs to this wave 2 that bottomed in September. Then we had another 5-wave move up in another wave 1 that topped on the 18th of September around $31. Wave 1, wave 2 was very short, dipped here as well. And then this is another 1-2 setup. 1-2, this wave 2 which bottomed end of September. Do I like this idea? Not so much. I mean, it's very messy. I mean, all these 1-2 setups, very, very choppy and overlapping, but the market is grinding higher. So, that's the idea still, that we are going higher. And important is now to understand that the key level for upside trend continuation, it's the Monday, 30th of September low. I mean, this is the key level for upside trend continuation. Any break below it would require a reinterpretation of the chart. But this is one scenario that I'm tracking, right? And in this scenario, we could be in the third wave up. But, is this another like leading diagonal in wave 3? Maybe. I mean, I haven't even labeled it because it is so choppy. But we're tracking here 1-2, 1-2 setup. So yeah, I mean, could this be another 1-2 setup? Maybe. But important is to understand what's the key level. And it's around, this swing low from the 30th of September, around $30.95, $30.90. So an alternative scenario would be that, and I might actually label this in white, and we need to start down here. Yeah, it's just a different way of labeling it, just different sequence, And in this scenario, I would label this as 1-2. This was from the low in September, a 1-2 setup. Then we could say all of this here was a third wave rally into the 26th of September high. This is a fourth wave, and we're now working our way higher in wave 5. And then this would actually be part of this third wave. So that this here is the third wave, okay, after wave 2 bottomed here on the 6th of September. Actually, I like that idea. And you know why I like it? Because this last move up is so choppy. So wave 5 might be an ending diagonal actually. Right, so if I go to the 1-hour chart, what does it mean if wave 5 is an ending diagonal? Well, it's a very, very choppy move, that's what it is. If this was circle 3, it should really be much more impulsive. But again, the silver chart has been extremely choppy anyway. So best I can tell is that maybe, this was a wave 1, this wave was a wave 2. We know here dealing with some kind of an ABC in wave 3. We're working on 4, 5, but this is my best guess. I mean, this is really a structure where the micro counting doesn't make much sense, but we could say, okay, 1, 2, because wave 5 of 3 should be a 5-wave move, obviously, right? 1, 2, and then A, B, C. Just thinking, looks even more like a WXY. I mean, what this is, could even be A, B, C, like a flat, some kind of a flat in wave 3. So, and then wave 4 would still be outstanding though. And it would be important that wave 4 now holds above the 61.8 retracement. Okay, so this is the support area I'd like it to hold. But again, I'm not confident about this microstructure anyway. You know, maybe we're still sort of in the third wave or something. But important is to understand, so we've got one support area going down to $31.75. Below that level, the invalidation point is that sort of $30.90 level. Against those two levels, focus on higher. Break below $31.75 is the first warning that things are changing. Break below that red line is sort of confirmation that things are changing. Yeah, and okay, what would happen if we break down? I think I would first explore if this yellow 2 is still unfolding. So A, B, C in more of a complex ABC flat. But overall, you know, the focus is on higher. But please note, it's just an extremely choppy structure. So, you know, don't watch for precision necessarily in the smallest microstructures at the moment. But overall, I'm still watching for higher on the silver chart, and my perspective hasn't changed. That's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the Stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.